Mac.com.
To remove your F8 key, you're going to take your tool, stick it underneath the bottom edge here, and then you're going to take your finger and hold down on the top part of this key as you slowly come back to pop that key off. And now to remove the plastic hinge, put it just on top of the rubber spring, but underneath the plastic of the hinge, and just come back like that. And then you can just pull this right off. Now get your replacement hinge. And you'll notice on your replacement hinge that it has a continuous piece of plastic on the top and then two separate separations on the bottom. And that corresponds to how you are going to actually place it into the keyhole. So let's do that now. And just drop that into place. And now you're going to use your finger to push down on each side until it clips into place. There you go, that looks good. Now you're going to take your replacement F8 key, just stick it right on top there. We're going to push down with our finger until it clips into place. And kind of roll it, make sure they've all clipped in. And you've installed your F8 key.
Mac.com.